Yeah, I'd say what makes me excited to come into work is just the people I'm around. The people that I'm around are just a good influence and just make everything a lot better of a time. And I like my job. I like welding. We do a good job here, and I enjoy coming in and doing that. My name is Mckay Hamann. I am a welder and robot operator, and I've been here almost a year and a half. On a daily basis, we build hitches, and either I weld them manually or most of the time I am at a robot building them while the robot welds, and I inspect and fix any imperfections or problems. Compared to my last weld job, it is a lot better here. Of course, there are a few similarities. I mean, no place is perfect, but it is a lot more organized here, a lot more respectful. I see a lot of people that actually want to put forth the effort for growth. They want to do something here, and management does notice that. You know, they see that you want to do something and they do their best to try and get you there. I believe that they look at good talent and they want to see people grow that deserve it. Just make sure you show up every day, stay clean, just be a good worker, and you're gonna go far here. That's all there's to it.